Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing over here for this bathroom. So let's continue it. So now we are going to texture this window over here. Press M, go into material editor again. Let's go into the V-Ray material and let's give a texture, or we can just give a color to it. Let's give a white color to it for now. Press 4, go into polygons, select this, all the polygons for this window. Again press M, and into this V-Ray material, let's give a bit of a plain glass over here so that light can pass through it. So we have made this as a glass. Now we also need to create a texture for this, so we can just create a ceramic texture for this. So let's press M over here, go into V-Ray material. Into this V-Ray material, go into diffuse bitmap. I'll go into this desktop, new bathroom texture. We can just check out for a ceramic texture. We can take one of the ceramic. We can take this white ceramic texture over here. So we can just assign this white ceramic texture on top of it, and let's give a UVW map on top of it. I think I've assigned a wrong texture over here. That's a tile. We can call this. This is a good texture. CERA, that's just ceramic. Okay, much better now. Now, after assigning this ceramic texture over here, we need to give a bit of reflect over here. Select this, go into this V-Ray material. We'll be giving a bit of reflective over here. So let's increase its reflection over here. Click over here, Fresnel. So just assign this. So same thing will go with this also. So we need to assign the same shader over here. Whatever metallic stuff is there right now over here, we are going to assign the same shader over here. And for the handle also we'll be assigning the same. Now select this stuff. We can just scale it more bigger because this is a mirror. You can just push this up, and for this again go into V-Ray material, and you can just give a diffuse color as black over here, and the reflectivity is full over here for a mirror. So once you are assigning this over here in this way, it will work in this way. So you can see over here, much better. Or if you want, then you can also go into this and give a full white color, and let's render it. That also would look good over here, not a problem. So as you can see, we are getting this perfect over here, shiny, metallic still look. So select this over here. What we'll do is we'll just create a roof on top of it. So let's create a roof over here. Just create a roof over here on top of it. You can just go into this vertices and you can just pull this out over here. And for the roof, we can just give a plain color. Just give this plain color over here. That's it. And for the switches over here, we'll be assigning the same material. That's your white color on top of it. Select this again over here for this bottle. If you want, I can go into the material over here. Let's take a V-Ray material and I'll give a bit of refraction to it. And if you want, then we can just increase its IOR to 2 over here. That's it. Alright. Not a problem. So let's again go into the material. Alright. So we can just place up a camera over here. Save your file. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.